Have you ever seen someone who thinks they're above the law? Today, we're diving into 3 cases where Karens go head-to-head with the police, only to find out the hard way that they can't talk their way out of trouble. Let's watch as these confrontations take a surprising turn. One day, police officers spotted a woman attempting to hide a crack pipe by sliding it down her pants. Knowing this was a clear sign of illegal drug use, the officers approached her. When they tried to take control of the situation, she immediately resisted, refusing to cooperate. The officers repeatedly asked her to calm down and relax, but she continued to struggle and pull away, making it difficult for them to secure her safely.
I got it. Relax. Now you got it. Relax.
Now you got it.
Give me the other wrist. Look over it, I got it. She smashed it on the floor. Turn to the side. She's gonna spit. She's gonna spit. She's gonna spit.
Don't do it.
No. Lean her forward. 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 There you go. Grab her legs. Grab her legs.
Go. Hold.
Watch out. She got something sharp.
No, I don't.
Stop moving. You're gonna cut yourself. Don't move. Don't move. Relax. Relax.
Battery on a Leo.
Is that what you want?
I just wanted like.
What was all that about?
You're stupid.
What was all that about?
You pick up all my intentions to go with everyone. You're off, bro.
You need to stop smoking.
Man, you can stop smoking everything.
You got problems.
Nobody even fucking with you, bitch.
You got problems.
Nobody even fucking with you. Fucking with you, you nasty.
Hey, she's grabbing.
Bitch,
Relax.
fuck you.
Relax.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck.
Stop.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck.
Relax.
Fuck.
All right? I got it.
Fuck you, cracker.
I got it.
Fuck you.
As the officers tried to restrain her, she became even more aggressive, threatening to spit on them. Spitting at someone, especially an officer, is considered a serious threat. The officers acted quickly, leaning her forward to prevent her from spitting and securing her legs to prevent her from hurting herself or others. At this point, she started shouting angrily, using a lot of bad language and refusing to listen to any of the officers' instructions.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Candace. Come on, Candace. Get up. Come on.
Candace, I'm not playing these games.
Hold on, wait.
Bravo 697.
Cool. She can switch over here.
Sweet.
What's your name?
You can pull me in there.
You good now?
No, you can pull me.
We're not gonna pull you. You're an adult and you're a female. Let's act like a lady. Alright? Let's act like a lady. Alright?
Yes.
Come on.
You doing anything nasty?
I'm gonna try to roll over my fat ass, please.
Yeah, you gonna be good?
No.
This female has to search you, alright?
Hey, Candace.
Relax.
Stop.
There you go. Jeez. Let go of my hand, man. How's it going, sir? Can we help you? Awesome. Can you just stop by that car over there? Can you just walk over there, please?
Stop moving.
Yeah, she was shoving push rods and stuff down there.
Sir, by that car. Stand by that car, that last car. I don't care, bro. I don't want him that close to us.
He's like, dang. Relax, bro.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
I don't know. Quit moving.
Candace, stop moving.
Don't bite
Candace,
her.
No.
relax.
No.
Candace.
Ho. No.
Candace, relax.
Bitch. No.
I'm trying to fix your
Bitch.
Stop.
I said no, ho.
Stop.
You get off my feet, dumb nigga. Dumb nigga, get off my clothes. No, bitch.
Stop
No. No. Bitch. No. Bitch. No, ho. No. Oh my God.
During the scuffle, the woman even tried to grab a metal rod with her feet, possibly to use as a weapon, which made the officers increase their control over her. They made sure to follow proper procedures, having a female officer conduct a search. When it was time to place her in the police car, she continued to fight back, making it hard for the officers to secure her with the seatbelt. Despite their efforts to keep the situation calm, she remained aggressive and resistant.
She's good?
Yeah, I just got to search.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
You're welcome.
I already checked the back seat. It's quick. Candace, get in the way.
Step in. Come on. There you go.
Candace, sit up. Sit up.
No. No.
Candace, you gotta sit up.
No.
There.
Right. Yep.
The woman, later identified as Candace, faced serious charges for her actions. She was charged with battery on specified personnel, possession of drug paraphernalia for the crack pipe, and obstructing an officer. The law she violated by resisting arrest is called resisting with violence, which means she used force to avoid being taken into custody. On September 15, 2024, she pled not guilty to this charge, and as of the following day, the case is still open with no further decisions made by the court. One night at a bar, a visibly intoxicated woman approached a man furious over a past incident involving her girlfriend. She was upset because a couple of weeks earlier, the man had given her girlfriend a ride on his motorcycle. This harmless act sparked jealousy in the woman, and as she drank more, her anger only grew. She began yelling at him and others, creating a scene that quickly caught the attention of everyone around.
Somebody threw that cigarette thing. And then
That's what hit her? I don't know. It looks like
I don't know. Somebody got hit.
everybody keeps telling me that nobody touched her, but I'm like, I saw her face.
Two of them were wrestling. One was your employee, though.
He's talking about every time.
They were wrapped up with each other.
Have your contained.
So I don't know what started that. That's what I saw.
Okay, but they're friends, right? Like she was trying to contain her,
Yeah, so I
or
don't
they
know
were
what happened
fighting
before
each
that.
other.
Under
I don't know if you want to look at the camera. It's up to
He's going to
you.
look at the camera, but he wants to talk to them first.
Okay.
I guess they were saying some words were said, and I guess some words were taken the wrong way. I guess she retaliated. So that's what they just told me.
She's just been drinking a little bit. It had to do with her girlfriend and whatnot.
She here?
No.
Okay. What happened with the cigarette?
One cigarette.
Calm it down.
Hey, relax. The ashtray.
The ashtray outside.
Oh no, I got knocked into it.
Oh, okay.
I was just trying to hold on to her.
Oh, smoke a cigarette. So what cigarette?
No,
ashtray.
I knocked into it.
Oh, the ashtray. What happened with the ashtray? Tell me what happened with the ashtray.
Stop it.
Thrown outside.
It's fine.
Tell me what happened with the ashtray.
It's fine. I'm going to take her home.
Can you tell
I'm
me?
going to take her
No,
home.
you can't tell me.
Stop it.
Can anybody in this bitch tell me?
You want to go see the camera?
Well, guys, she's gonna leave. So she was just upset, and she was upset about something. She said the employee said something to her, and they just wrapped up trying to calm her. She's really drunk, the one, the wife. So she just grabbed her, trying to calm her down, and then they just got to a shoving match. They're gonna leave.
She needs to leave. That's it. Thank you.
The bar staff and other patrons tried to calm her down, but she refused to listen, her behavior becoming more erratic and aggressive with each passing moment. It was clear that the situation was out of control, so the bar staff called the police.
That's it. Thank you.
That's okay. Look, put your hands behind your back now. Don't get up. Put your hands behind your back.
You wanted that shit all night, didn't you? You wanted that shit all night, didn't you? And I gave it to you. Pussy ass nigga.
Hey, stop fucking talking.
You're making it worse.
Now.
The cop didn't fucking do anything.
Yo, shut the fuck up, OJ.
Stop.
When the officers arrived, they tried to calm the woman down and get her to cooperate, but she wasn't having it. She shouted obscenities, fought against the officers' attempts to restrain her, and even threatened them. The police officers, seeing that she was a danger to herself and others, decided to arrest her. But instead of cooperating, she continued to resist, making the situation even more chaotic as they tried to escort her out of the bar.
I ain't asked you to let me go. I said let me go, you idiot.
Look at me and stop talking.
10 park.
You're under arrest.
Foxtrot 216, maintain the channel.
Can I get up peacefully?
No.
Y'all wanted that all night, didn't y'all?
I got one scare.
Oh, you're hitting the face.
The fuck?
Go up to my car.
Y'all wanted this shit all night, didn't y'all?
No, we asked you to leave nicely multiple times.
When? The fuck?
Do you want to talk to the guy in this leather jacket, see if he wants to press charges or anything?
Ask me. I'm waiting.
Stand up.
Are you gonna ask me or fucking yank me, nigga?
I told you a bunch.
The fuck? The fuck? Ask
locks
her yank. Ask her
Can
yank.
you unlock your car for me real
Ask
quick?
her yank, nigga. Ask her yank, nigga. Yank now. Yank now. Yank now. Y'all wanna yank now? You ain't ask me a goddamn fucking thing. Oh, I'm scared.
I got it in her pockets over there.
Let me go, please.
Alright, have a seat in here.
Yo, shut the fuck up, goofy ass nigga. I'm trying. Can I? Myself.
So the story is, apparently a couple weeks ago, her girlfriend asked me for a ride down on my motorcycle. So I did.
I can try to write.
Yeah. It's unlocked. You want to press charges real quick?
No, I don't.
You don't want to press
No,
charges?
no.
Well, walk me through what happened.
So I gave her girlfriend a motorcycle ride a couple weeks ago. She's been harboring it. I didn't know who she was. So I guess she checked me about it. Oh, you gave my girlfriend a ride. I was like, I said it was a motorcycle ride. She's obviously gay. Anyway, you know, and so she was upset about it. So she tried to fight. So, I mean, I'm a grown man. So I didn't. And so she got inside. She was wilding out. She was being combative. She, from the very
How was she
beginning.
being combative?
With the cop, with the officer.
Oh, she was? Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Did she physically stuck your...
She tried to stick me, but I fight. I do MMA. I was like, I fight grown men, women, like, are you kidding me?
As a result of her behavior, the woman was charged with 3 crimes: disorderly intoxication for causing a scene due to her drunkenness, resisting an officer without violence for not following the officer's commands, and battery on an officer for her physical aggression towards them. These actions violated specific laws that ensure public safety and respect for law enforcement. In the end, her alcohol-fueled jealousy turned into a night she would likely regret. The scene begins with a police officer approaching a young man who looks nervous and quickly tries to get away. The officer calmly asks him to stop, but the man resists and appears to panic. His sister shows up, demanding to know why the officer is arresting her brother. She insists that he hasn't done anything wrong, accusing the officer of being too harsh. The situation is tense, with the brother continuing to resist as the officer tries to secure him.
Okay, don't resist. Okay,
Hand behind your back.
this is my brother. This is my brother. Yeah, this is my brother.
Why'd you run, bro? Please sit down. Stop twisting. I just want to sit down. Fine, sit down. Fine. Crisscross applesauce. Great, stop.
This is my brother.
You scared me, man. That's why
We got out as casual as could be.
I'm sorry.
We're going to talk to you all about the bottle of wine.
Oh, that's not mine, sir.
Oh, that was my bottle.
At all.
I'm sorry.
I got taser probes over there somewhere.
Wait, you scared the shit out of me.
Did they tase you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Can I talk to you, please?
You back?
Yeah.
This is our first priority. I'll get with you
Ma'am,
This is my brother.
back up. Back up.
Leave them goddamn people alone.
What is your name?
Fucking people alone.
This is my brother.
We know.
What's your name? Back up. I'm not going to tell you again.
Back up or I'm putting you in handcuffs too.
May I talk to you?
Back up.
I will.
Into the bench.
Can you talk to me, please?
During the arrest, the man explains that he ran because he was scared and had a medical marijuana card. He says he thought the officer would be more aggressive because of this. At one point, the officer has to use a taser to gain control, but the man insists he can't breathe, even though he's still able to speak. The officer reassures him that an ambulance is on the way to check him out, ensuring he'll be okay.
Why did you run?
Because he probably had...
He's scared me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got out of the car, so he's scared.
Casual as possible.
I got a marijuana card, bro. He just scared me, bro. That's all.
Tyson Matthew?
Never heard of him.
Please, can I have a paramedic, bro? I can't breathe.
Okay, well, you're in the recovery position.
I can't breathe, bro. I still can't breathe.
All right, but you're talking, so keep talking. We have an ambulance coming to check you out. So I need you to take a deep breath. So no probes are in him, right?
Nah, I think they came out. One hit his shirt, but...
All right, I'm going to
swim through the water.
All right, stand up. Tuck your 1 foot in and stand up. Tuck your 1 foot in. Tuck your 1 foot in.
65-21.
Meanwhile, the sister repeatedly ignores the officer's orders to back up. Despite being warned several times, she keeps trying to get closer, claiming she has a right to be there. The officer stays patient, giving her multiple chances to step away. Finally, after repeatedly refusing to listen, she is placed under arrest for obstructing the officer's investigation. She pleads with the officer, saying she didn't do anything wrong, but by then it's too late.
Back it up. This is your last opportunity. If you come back up to that line. You see that line on the sidewalk?
Yeah,
You come past it again, I'm taking you to jail too.
I just want to...
You have my promise. Back up.
Okay.
My name is Officer Stanley, ID number 1864. I'm giving you a lawful order to stay behind this line.
My name is Latoya Baker.
Okay, Latoya, I think we just talked like a week ago. Okay? Latoya, I know exactly who you are. Yeah. If you come past this line, I'm taking you to jail.
You said your name is Officer what?
Officer Stanley, it's right here.
Officer Stanley.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's all, there we go.
All right, you're going to jail.
What?
You're going to jail.
How am I going to jail?
Because
I didn't do anything.
Motherfucking lie. No.
Stop.
Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. Tori, put your hand behind your back. Not resist. Tori, put your hand behind your back. God damn it. The man told you to fuck on the goddamn
No,
back.
I didn't say thought he said behind that. I didn't go up to my brother. I didn't go up.
Stop turning around.
Tori,
How many opportunities did I give her? How many opportunities did I give her?
1,000. I can't
Now you can come over here.
I can't see him.
Now you can come over here. You're going to come on the other side. You're going to sit down on the concrete. Sit down. Sit down.
Please don't arrest
Sit
me.
down.
Please don't
How many
arrest
opportunities
me.
did I give you? Sit down.
A lot.
A lot.
Okay. Please don't arrest me, sir. Please.
Cross your legs.
Please don't
Cross your
arrest
legs.
The officer explains that her brother faces serious charges beyond resisting arrest. He tells her that the brother is being charged with grand theft of a firearm, a crime involving the unlawful taking of a gun, which violates state law. By running from the police and interfering, he worsened the situation for both of them, making the legal consequences even more severe. And there you have it, 3 times where entitled behavior met firm consequences. These Karens learned that no amount of arguing or attitude can change the law. If you enjoyed watching, make sure to like and subscribe for more real-life encounters that prove no one is above the rules.